use Gary's services for whatever he's been involved in, whether it be glasses. I thought I'd give him a try. Didn't need them, but thanks anyway. SEO, social media, the lot. Outside that, and this is an important message for newer members and for guests and visitors. If I have to, you'll hear a lot of members talking about 40, 50, 70% of their business coming from BNI. Less than 1% of my turnover comes from BNI. But my business has grown through BNI because of my connections in the room and because of how they've helped me develop. Gary, over the past year, has sent my way probably close to 100 temporary staff through the kindness of his own heart. It's nothing to do with what I had been doing with him, but he's just managed to help my business pull through the entire pandemic. And without him, I would have been every single day and night in this warehouse without going home, without taking a shower, and I'd still probably be halfway to where I am today. So I want to thank Gary for that and thank him for all the other help he's given me.
Andrew, you're a lovely man. Thank you.
Well done, Gary.
Well done, guys. You both seen season members, so I'm not going to tell you what to do with the testimony.